that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for
What's up, me and more gang? It's your girl Bianca Shanice, and I'm back with a new video. If you're new here, hello, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Also, please don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe, and please don't forget to hit that notification button so you can get alerts when I put up new videos. Cause what? Cause how y'all gonna see me? On today's video, I will be showing you guys how I DIY my couch, and if that is something that you would like to see, please stay tuned and keep on watching. I'm getting ready to show you redoing my couch. And the reason why it's looking like this now, because at first I started not to do it. Okay, so as you can see, I have already finished this couch here. One thing that I said I wish I would have done was made a like an indentation in this area here. So I'm going to try it on this couch, and if it turned out pretty good, it's fine, because I can just get a throw to go like right in this way, so it won't make it look so noticeable. So I'm going to try to like go in between the creases of the chair, and yeah, so it really came out pretty good. Once I finish, finish getting everything done and adding me some more throw blankets and pillows and get my together, I feel like it's gonna turn out pretty good. So I'm about to start on this, and we'll see how far I get. And so the only materials that I used were these Mainstays fleece blankets, and like if you can like see the texture of it. So for this couch here, I only use 2 of the full size blankets, and for this one I bought 2 full size, and I got a twin, and I used the whole twin for this part here and that part there. And so hopefully this will be enough to finish the whole couch. And y'all, I did not do the back of the couch because it's gonna be to the wall. And the purpose of me doing this, y'all, is because I wanted to brighten up my space and just go for a new look until I'm able to get me a new living room set. So I'm just utilizing what I got. And I really didn't want to like record this because I don't know, don't get me wrong, I just wasn't sure how it was going to come out, but I feel like it looked pretty good, and it's fine for me. I didn't want it to look rigged up like she just threw something together. So I feel like it turned out really good, and it's very affordable. Those full size blankets was $11, and the twin size one was $9. And I also, what I used to hold everything intact was a staple gun. So that's my materials. So as you can see where I'm getting ready to lay the blanket, this is where I'm going to start. I'm going to start stapling where I just laid the blanket at. And I'm not starting at the very top, because once I staple it where I'm stapling it at now, this part I don't want it to be shown. So I want to do this first, so when I do the arm cover part, I can camouflage with the top part, if that makes sense. And you just want to make sure you line it up correctly. And once you get finished stapling the areas that I'm stapling now, you're going to cut the bottom part off, and you're going to pull it so you can snug it to the couch, the bottom of the couch, and staple it at the bottom of the couch. And I'm just making sure I'm cutting some of that excess blanket, so when I get ready to show the next part, you won't have all that excess blanket. As you can see how I'm tucking it right in that little crease. And basically you just want to follow your couch. That's what worked for me, tucking those pieces in them nooks and crannies. And I also forgot to mention, you can choose whatever type of blanket fabric you would like to choose. I just chose this one because that's what was the only better option that I had at my store near me. And the video that I seen, I got from this girl off TikTok, and she was using the threshold blankets from Target. So I'm showing you this part here because this is where I'm going to staple up under the chair. Sure, I'll pull it really tight. Okay, y'all, so I done finished that side. I should have went on and took this further and took it in on this side, but I just had to cut a little section out for this part here to cover this part. I noticed that's what I should have done over here. As you can see, I took it in. I tucked it into the little cracks here on this side, and it's like a little indentation, so I'm gonna indent that in and then start it like that, if that makes any sense on this other side. Okay, y'all, so I done finished this side. So now I just need to work on that, and doing that. I'm gonna do these first, and then I'm gonna do the seat thing, and then do that last. But it didn't take as long as I thought it was gonna take. I guess because I kind of already, after I done that couch over there, please excuse that stuff. I'm trying to clean up, do this, and do numerous things. So for this part here, I just was stapling it together like how you would do wrapping a present, if that makes sense. It ain't no rhyme or reason to how I'm doing it, so I'm just doing it a way that just works for me, and I'm not covering the whole part. And so now I'm just trying to figure out how I'm about to lay the blanket. And so with these blankets, one side is a little different. I don't know if it's darker, but it's really not that noticeable unless you get up close on it. And so I'm just trying to figure out how I want to do it. And I think I'm going to pick it back up because it wasn't on the side like the rest of the couch. But I noticed that it was a little slight of a difference. As you can see, I'm doing that right now. But how I do that part, I just flip it on the side that is not going to be shown, because I wanted to staple that first, then throw it back around. I hope that makes sense. I do want it to be snug, but I do also try to leave a little room, because you know when people sit on your chair, it kind of expands. But now I'm just cutting out the excess fabric or blanket so I can be able to staple it together. So now here we are at the top of the couch, and I'm just starting off tucking in the bottom of the blanket so I can throw it around. I do want to apologize for this clip being blurry, but I had my vape sitting right there, so it was focusing on that. But once I throw it around, I can know where I'm going to cut, because like I told y'all, I'm not using all that blanket to cover the whole couch. So I do want to mention that this part got a little tricky. Like, it wasn't long enough to fit the whole couch, and the blanket go all the way to the bottom of the floor. So I just cut half of the blanket, and the part that I have left, I just had to fill the ends with it. But I laid that part down first, and then I used what was left at the top to camouflage it all in together. And then once I decided to try to, tuck it in each of those creases, like I was telling y'all that I wanted to do with the other couch, it left me with much of nothing left of the blanket. So I had to pull it the full long way, like how I did on my other couch. The sun has went down, so I'm trying to hurry to finish this. But if I don't finish showing y'all, I'll just go ahead and finish, and I'll show you the finished look tomorrow. But as y'all can see, I had did it the long way, and it's not long enough. So I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to do it. So I'm gonna have to go buy a whole nother So let's see what it's gonna be. Okay, y'all, so it is the next day. As I promised, I was going to show y'all the finished look. I'm not going to waste any more of you guys' time. So we're going to flip the camera around and show y'all how everything turned out. Okay, so this is the small couch, which y'all had seen yesterday. I feel like it turned out pretty good. And this is the other one. So y'all can see the full look of everything. And like I said, y'all, I want to get some more throw blankets. I want more like texture, and I like the texture look, so I want to get some blankets that are very textured and some pillows, and you know, fix the space up. Yes, I know I'm taking a big risk of choosing this color blanket because yeah, it's light and it's gonna be easily to be stained, but I don't have much company like that, so hopefully I will be okay. People just have to, you know, be careful when they do come over, or I will have to lay another type of sheet or something down if, you know, we be in here or whatever. Also, like I said, when I was doing the couches, I wasn't trying to snug it extremely tight, but enough to make it look, you know, nice. And because I know, like I said, when people sit down, I don't want the, you know, the staples to pop. So that's why I did it that way. Also, I said I was going to invest in the lint roller because I'm sure this type of fabric can get linty after a while, and I want to just, you know, try to keep it up as much as possible. And it looks squishy. Like, I like how it looks, and yeah, let's see. But yeah, I feel like it turned out really nice. It's not perfect, but it's perfect for me. But I feel like I did pretty good. And this is my first like project doing it. So if I continue to do stuff like this, I already got my aunt asking me to do one for her classroom. She has a chair that she wants to bring back to life. So she asked me to do that. But this is the finished look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And I'm sorry if I wasn't as detailed with explaining throughout the video. I kind of struggle with explaining stuff to a certain extent. I'm more of a hands-on, you know, type of gal. But I try to explain it the best way as I could. And hopefully I can get to do more projects like this. So this video is wrapping up. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions on anything that I have said or done in this video, please feel free to comment. Also, please don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe. And please don't forget to hit that notification button so you can get alerts when I put up new videos. Cause how y'all gonna see me? And I will see you guys in another video. Goodbye.